Hello, this is Hojin Kim from ShardLab. It's my honor to host this very first Southeast Asia Blockchain Week here in Bangkok, and which is the center of the Southeast Asia, and give you a very short introduction of this event and our initiative. So let me start the keynote with the introduction of the ShardLab. As Dr. Arak and Hojin mentioned in the previous session, ShardLab is a newly built innovation lab of Hash, the Asia's leading Web3 venture capital. So an innovation lab is an entity of experimentation and progress. So as R&D stands for the research and development, the ShardLab will have an experimental project to find the most impactful and meaningful cases in Southeast Asian region with a real use case of Web3. So, and last September, Hash and SEABW, the leading financial group in Thailand, we announced the very new strategic agreement to focus this effort onto the Southeast Asian market. So we are envisioning to be a front runner of innovation and the mass adoption of the Web3. So yeah, let's take a look into the status quo of the Southeast Asian market. So Southeast Asia itself, their population is about 900 million, which is 8% of the global population. And in terms of the global GDP, the Southeast Asia share is about 6.5%, so which is a little bit less than the population, right? And in terms of the digital penetration, the smartphone penetration, the Southeast Asia's penetration is 1.3 times more than the global average. So we believe that this market is quite digital savvy and fast running and growing industry. But if we compare with the Western market at glance, as you can see, the Southeast Asia's population is 88% of the global, but in terms of the Web3 user, it's 12%. So 50% active, more active than the Web2 market. And in terms of the money value, so as you can mention, the Southeast Asia share of the global GDP is 6%. However, in total value locked, it's 9%. So this number shows that the Southeast Asia's Web3 market is, more than 50% active than the Web2 market size and Web2 market's activeness. And as a crypto penetration, as I mentioned, it's 3 times more than the global average, which shows that this market is the front runner of the Web3 mass adoption. And I want to introduce our framework of the mass adoption. So when we say a mass adoption or penetration, we look into the 3 axes. The first one is a user axis, second one is a protocol, the third one is a value chain. So in user axis, we envision to everyone's, not only the younger generation, but in older generation or institutions like B2B customers to use the Web3 features, Web3 product in their user businesses. And secondly, the protocol axis means that it's an industry. So not only the finance industry or the retail industry, we seek to expand the use case, the scope of the use case into every kind of the industry. And the final one is a value chain. So to implement the blockchain's benefits to various processes, not only in the binary layers, but also from the manufacturing or the very early stage of the value chain. And if we see this in these 3 verticals, Southeast Asia is the most advanced conditions in all 3 components. So in user pool, the Southeast Asian market's user pool is really young. So more than half of the population is underserved. And in vertical, we all know that Southeast Asia was the very early user, the region who had a DeFi or GameFi, because their earning through the Web3 product can be it's quite competitive rather than the ordinary wage of the market, right? For example, just investing in ordinary capital markets or ordinary labor works, you can earn quite competitive money through the blockchain. So that is why another reason. And the third one, in value chain, it's a huge customers market. Now we all know that the Southeast Asian market customer has such high demand in gaming or media consumption, because in terms of the YouTube consumption or Netflix consumptions, the Southeast Asia is hitting the highest among the global. But this, on the other hand, it means that market should overcome these three conditions to going forward. So from the young B2C market to mass and institution customers, and from the investment and gaming and beyond of that, the verticals, and from the consumers market to developers ecosystem. So that's why this inaugural SEABW has six section tracks. So starting with the users, the Southeast Asian way, we do cover now the various verticals of the current market focus, like gaming. And we see the potential of the local builders do the local case use cases. So I will point out this SEABW's uniqueness one by one. The first one, in terms of user, as I mentioned, it is very important to expand the Web3 users target to institution and enterprise level. So in this very first SEABW, we have very meaningful institutional partnership, which one is with SEBX, which one is the CMPR group. SEBX is the leading financial group, and they are sponsoring this event as a title sponsor with their various entities like TokenX and SCB10X. The SEABW seeks to cover the whole topic from the traditional finance market to most frontier and innovative area. And CMPR Group, the leading giant retailer in Thailand, is also a strategic partner. We are hosting the event here in Icon Siam, the landmark shopping center. And we would like to present the potential innovation of the retail and marketing, which Web3 can bring. And secondly, I want to introduce our very first use case showcase to our official application. As you can see at the registration booth, we are introducing our own SEABW official web application to you. Built on the GK Sync, the most innovative blockchain with GK rollup, we have developed the first NFT-based voucher, which is fully linked with the Siam POS One Siam digital royalty system. So during the SEABW conference, you can easily use your NFT vouchers in any restaurant that accepts the One Siam coin within the Icon Siam and ICS. Moreover, this app also has a decentralized name card feature, which presents your name, title, and social media account as a form of the NFT name card. And using the GK technology, we have verified your sensitive data like age and sort of stuff without storing that data itself on the data store. This entire application is built on our own account abstraction wallet, with a keyless architecture, so that you can have an experience with exactly same user experience what you usually have in ordinary Web2 services. And the final one, the builder. So we are not going to host only the conference or sessions. So we do have two big, meaningful showcases, which is the game day and demo day. And as a part of the conference, we would like to present an opportunity to local builders and projects to have introduction of their product to the public audiences. On a game day, which is held today, users can watch and experience the actual price of the selected Web3 games, which most of them are not disclosed yet. So it is the very first time, it is a very unique chance that you can experience the very first version of the game. And in second demo day, which is going to held tomorrow, more than 10 projects are going to have a pitch to explain their products and business items to leading venture capitals, including Hashed and SCB10X. And thank you for the listening to the key message of this year's SEABW conference. I'd like to finish my speaking by sharing our next steps and next initiatives. We are going to introduce two big programs in this Southeast Asia region. The first one is the protocol camp. The second one is the venture incubation program. The protocol camp is a Web3 boot camp designed to help individuals who is looking to a career transition from Web2 and Web3. So we do have the top tier lecturers, not only in developers or engineers, but in the business areas with our fulfilled portfolio. And we already had an experience to run this protocol camp in Korea from 2017 with a leading insurance company in Korea. With this knowledge, we want to cultivate the local top talents to build and start their Web3 business in the region. And we will provide a 3-month incentive education camp with a local talent here, and not only in Thailand, in Southeast Asia. And we are going to open this application in late second quarter this year. And the second one is venture incubation. So as an innovation lab, we are looking for a talented entrepreneurs who want to solve the current pain points of the current market with the idea of the blockchain. If an entrepreneur has an idea with the domain expertise which can solve the market's problem, we can help to determine whether blockchain will be a game changer of that idea or not. And we will help to build and run a test pilot program by implementing a digital product using Web3 technology. So, easily speaking, we can be your first co-founder, CTO, or chief blockchain officer. Yeah, we will provide our top-tier talents and capitals for talented entrepreneurs in the region. We are going to open an application for the venture incubation program in July this year as well. So please keep your eye on the ShardLab and SEABW's initiatives, which want to solve the real-life problem using blockchain technology, starting here in Southeast Asia and Bangkok, and more importantly, not by alone, but with entire ecosystem. Thank you very much, and please enjoy the amazing week here in Bangkok, the heart of the Southeast Asia. Thank you so much.